The Manitoba Advocate for Children and Youth wish to acknowledge that we are located on the original lands of the Anishinaabe, Cree, Oji-Cree, Dakota, and Dene peoples, and the beautiful homeland of the MACY Nation. Good afternoon. My name is Cheryl Alexander. I'm the Knowledge Keeper here at the Manitoba Advocate for Children and Youth, and I'm going to be doing with Michael Breland, who is also from our YAAS team, our Youth
Ambassador Advisory Squad.
Thank you,
Yes.
Michael. So today you'll notice that we are wearing masks. For this message, this community message that we're about to relay, we're going to talk about safe mask things to do and things not to do. So today I'm wearing the disposable mask and Michael is wearing a cloth mask. So there's seven messages that the World Health Organization says that we should be doing for proper safe mask wear. So the first one is do not wear a loose mask, face mask. So it has to be over your nose, under your chin, and there's no spaces. Okay, that's number one.
Number 2 is do not wear your mask.
Backwards,
upside down or improper. So don't wear it sideways like a Bane mask, unless you want to, I don't know, do that on your own time. But I wouldn't recommend it outside.
The next one is do not wear the mask under the nose. When I first read this, I am a big offender of this because I need to always be having access to a disposable mask because I work with the public. I often put it under my chin. I think just slip it back on. But we'll get to that again. So you're not to wear it anywhere but on your face properly.
And number 4, do not take your mask off to talk to people. People also take their mask off to hear better, just like you do in your car and you turn on your music to drive better. Don't take your mask off to talk to people. Try and talk through. It's a little disorienting, a little harder to hear, but got to make it work. You got to keep on the grind for safety, and we'll be over this COVID in no time.
Do not wear your mask under the chin. People have a tendency to think that they are above the COVID restriction, and remember that it's imperative that you not only safe distance, but when you can't, that you have to have a proper fitting mask on over the nose, not under the chin. So don't wear it under your chin.
Why wear it at all if it's under your chin? Number 6, do not share your mask with others. I don't know if we even have to talk about this one. Why would you share your mask with others? Unless, I don't know.
And number 7 is do not reposition or adjust it by touching the front of the mask. I just blew this mask by touching the front of it.
I think we're all victims of that one.
Yeah, so I need a new disposable mask. So those are the 7 things that you must remember to not do when wearing a mask. We want to keep safe. We want to keep properly wearing it. And we want to be able to, because mask wearing is essential everywhere you go, even when you're working. And if it's not within your bubble, then you should be wearing a mask outside of your bubble. So thank you for helping us to relay this community messages, and we will be talking about more aspects of COVID safety, washing your hands, how long, ABC song, different things, how to relate to kids and help to ease anxiety, how to have conversations. So we will be performing more community messages in the next few days. Thank you. Thanks for coming.